Hi everyone, this is Mariana for those of you who do not know me. Today's video will be about these 4 eyeshadow palettes that I got on the app Shop Hush that I am addicted to and have been buying a few things here and there. Not that many, you know, but these, I got them. I couldn't resist because they were all 4 of them for $30 or 10 each. So I was like, I'll just get all of them. It's like getting one for free. Why not? I'm saving money. Okay, I'm not losing money, I'm saving money. That's what I tell my husband anyway. So let's get to it because let's make this quick. There's 4 eyeshadow palettes. This one is called Aftershock and it has very bright colors. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Look at those colors. I think I'm gonna use this one for today's demo. After Party. This one is more neutral, but it is beautiful as well. I've used this one a couple times. Well, this palette I've used it a couple times. The middle one, I love that one for like when I do a really fast look. I just put that one on my lid, and this one as a transition shade. If I want to darken the outer corners, I just use this one right here. It's called Husk. There's also this one, After Hours. This one is beautiful. It's like pinkish tones. And then there's this one, After Dark. Oh, that one still had the plastic because I actually haven't used this one at all. This one is really nice. I love this middle color. I've been dying to use it. And it's just beautiful. Gee. It stings from swiping so much. Okay guys, I hope you guys liked the swatches and the little mini review on this. Now I wasn't sure if to leave this look as it is and not put anything under, but I'm feeling a little crazy, so I think I'm going to put pink on my lower lash line and we'll see how it looks. Wish me luck! My next video is gonna be, I think, I tried to follow blah YouTuber makeup video, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a Nikki Tutorials one because I love her, she's amazing, and I don't know how the heck I'm gonna follow a video of her. Wish me luck. And if you guys want to see that, as I said, just turn on your post notifications, subscribe, comment down below if you have any suggestions. Thank you for watching. Bye.